Hello guys, my name is Avispira and today we're going to see if this thing actually works. So I've never actually owned one of these before. What is this? This is a grip exercise thingy. You basically squeeze it and it's supposed to help increase your hand strength, your forearm strength, and your grip strength. So I have been meaning to do that for a while. Now, as you can see, my forearms aren't terrible. They're not huge. Obviously, I think everybody wants bigger forearms. They're not weak, and they're pretty vascular, at least somewhat. I don't know about this lighting, but definitely when I'm working out, they pop, especially doing pull-ups and stuff like that. That's the best you can possibly do. I do have a pull-up bar in the other room, which I am trying to use, but it's very painful for my hands, especially. It's cheap $20 bar, so I would like to increase my forearm strength and grip strength a lot more using this. So today is going to be an unboxing and the beginning of a 30-day challenge to see whether or not this thing actually works. Alright guys, so here's the box. I ordered this on Amazon. It came about 2-3 days ago. It's from a company called FitBeast, and it comes with a limited warranty of 10 years, which is partially the reason why I got it. I wanted a decent quality one. So let's use a little bit of forearm strength and get this open, which it does not seem to want to do. Oh, gotta use a knife. Oh, a knife. Knife. There we go. Okay, so it all comes in one nice bag with a little owner's instruction manual. Don't need that no more. And everything comes out. Ooh, decent texture. There's the main thing. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, very nice. And it comes with a little adjuster so you can increase and decrease. I don't think it says a number of how much pressure you're putting on, but this spring is supposed to be able to do... Oh, it does. Okay, so it shows right here. Didn't see that. Basically the levels, so 10 kgs to 60 kgs, or 22 pounds to I think 128 pounds, something like that. And I'm going to list this item on Amazon in the description so you guys can get this for yourself. So I think they started off sitting probably at the minimum, so let's increase that a bit. Wrong way. Okay, and then the spring moves, yeah, pretty straightforward. And yeah, that's much better. So I'm going to be trying to do 100 reps a day on each hand and see, hopefully getting this stronger. Now this hand, my left hand, actually my pinky broke. It's already a while back, but whenever I'm doing pull-ups and stuff, it tends to sit like that, pretty far away, while my other pinky, I can't even do that. So you can see there's a gap right there. So that's one thing I'm going to try to work on. It also came with a little stress ball. There we go. Just for squeezing. Yeah. It's an interesting texture. A little finger extender. Also kind of grip strength increasing thing. So I'm assuming you put your... Which finger do you put in where? That's the main question. Yeah, that makes more sense. Then you pull them apart. Okay, cool. This wheel, which you also squeeze, kind of like the ball. And this finger gripper, which goes like this, and you pull in. Is this adjustable, though? That is my question. It does not look like it. I feel like this should also be adjustable. And a little instruction book. Who reads these? But I will, just to see, and hopefully get my warranty right there. So yeah, definitely excited to start using this and trying it out. So I'm going to be trying to do 100 reps a day, at least 5 days of the week. It might be 6, could even be 7, depending, you know, on how my forearms are feeling. I do like to give a break and a rest day at least 1 day a week. So hopefully do that soon. And I'll let you guys in on that challenge. Hopefully in 30 days you'll see another video. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Again, this product will be listed down in the description of the video if you want to pick it up for yourself. Or maybe you'll wait till the 30-day challenge is over and see how well it works from there. If so, please please subscribe. Also check me out on Instagram, Avi_Spira, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up.